Hello! In this tutorial, you will learn how to create direct debits and how to view your remittance history. Let's get started. If you send the same remittance to your bank every month, for subscription direct debits for example, we recommend you create a remittance template. This will make entering direct debit remittances easier and will save you time. Click on Direct Debits menu. Then in Remittance Templates, click on the menu corresponding to the type of remittance you want to create. SEPA Direct Debit for Europe or Direct Debit in ISO 20022 for the whole world. Click on Create Remittance Template. Select the account to be credited. Iziago automatically assigns a name to the remittance template. Change it if necessary. Indicate the date of the month on which the direct debits will be issued. If needed, modify or fill in the other template information. Click on Save. You can now add direct debit orders by entering their data directly, or by importing a text file with Separator. If you want more information on importing a file, click on the Iziago Help button. Now let's enter the remittance orders. Click on New Order. Create the debtor. Enter the debtor's data and bank account details. Click on Save. If you wish, you can enter the dates of the first and the last direct debit. When this template is used to create a direct debit remittance, Iziago will copy into the remittance all the debtors that are to be debited. To do so, Iziago will take into account the execution date of the remittance, as well as the dates of the first and the last direct debit defined for each debtor. The debtors whose debit dates are not specified will always be added to the remittances created from this template. Enter the reference of the direct debit mandate and the date on which the mandate was signed. Enter the amount of the order. For SEPA direct debit remittances, the currency is Euro. For direct debit remittances outside SEPA, you have the option to choose the currency. If you wish to add new orders to the remittance template, click again on New Order. Note that all the template debtors are automatically registered in your third-party database. You can enter the motive of each order one by one, but you can also assign a common motive to all the orders. Click on Save. Now let's see how to quickly create a direct debit remittance from your template. In the menu, click on Direct Debits. Then in Remittances, click on the menu corresponding to the type of remittance you want to create. Click on Use Remittance Template. Select your template. If needed, modify or fill in the other remittance data. By default, it corresponds to the template data. Click on Save. If needed, modify the orders of the remittance. Click on Save. You can now download the remittance. For SEPA direct debit remittances, you have to enter your SEPA creditor identifier. Then click on Save. Enter your bank URL. Iziago automatically opens your bank website in a new tab for you to upload the file. If you have subscribed to the cash forecasting module, Iziago will automatically generate forecast transactions corresponding to the downloaded direct debit remittance. Now let's take a look at how to view your remittance history. To view your remittances, click on Remittances Follow-up. Search for the desired remittance. Click on the remittance to view its detailed information. Now you know how to make direct debits with Iziago. To modify the direct debit default parameters for your bank account or add another account or company, click on the buttons of the Settings section in the dashboard, or use the Settings menu.